Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to toggle Fastboot on your laptop. In order to do this, first you're gonna have to enter the BIOS menu, and to enter the BIOS menu, power your PC off and then power it on by pressing the power button once, and while your device is turning on, repeatedly press the F10 button until you see the BIOS menu on your screen. If you need a detailed explanation, we have an entire video on our channel showing how to enter BIOS menu on this laptop. Now, once you are here, go to Advanced section, then select Boot Options, and to toggle Fastboot, you can hit the checkbox next to Fastboot option right here. Now once you select the value that you need, press F10 button, and in order to save changes and exit, press yes and wait until your device restarts. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.